Welcome back, YouTube pipe smokers. Cheesy Piper here, and I'm out here in the sun, in the sun, smoking some Ernie Moore from a meerschaum. And I'd just like to remind you today that no matter what they say, no matter what seemingly communist, tyrannical government, world government, organization, United Nation, if you will, tries to tell you how to live your life, and with an invisible boogeyman threat, with no science, to never let them stop you from piping. There ain't nothing out here in nature. It's just clean and healthy. Birds, squirrels, deer, wolves. But I don't see no boogeyman. Maybe at night time when the shadows come creeping out. I think it's safe to say there ain't nothing really going on. So until next time, I hope you think about it, look at the numbers of previous years, and try and work out the maths for yourself without just listening to what they say on the Gov box. Until then, I hope to see you in the Shire, where we can all come. All you have to do is never listen to the mouth of Sauron. So until next time, happy piping.